It doesn't matter how many are giving the exam. It doesn't matter how many seats are there for the exam. Just give your best and leave the rest. Hi, hope you guys are all doing great. So INI-CET July 2021 session details are out, and the date of exam is May 8th, 2021. It's Saturday. So prospectus A has been released just now, and also several updates have been posted in the new website of AIIMS. It's no longer aimsexams.org, it's aimsexams.ac.in. We'll look into all these details now. I hope you guys are all ready. So first of all, you can see a notification being released on 11th March. So admission notice for INI-CET July 2021 session, wherein the dates are clearly mentioned. Basic registration starts from March 1st and ends on March 31st at 5 p.m. IST. And also you can see it's clearly mentioned, I tried to highlight that in yellow. So all applicants who have applied earlier and whose registration and basic candidate information have been accepted for Jan 2019, July 2019, Jan 2020, July 2020, and Jan 2021 session are not required to fill the registration and basic candidate information again. All you need to do is generate EUC, exam unique code. We'll look into that in the next segment. So these are the dates regarding the final status of accepted registration and basic candidate information by April 6th, 5 p.m. IST. I suppose it's IST. And then you can find other relevant details. Date of uploading prospectus Part A, including eligibility criteria, on 23rd March. But this has been revised again, and it's 24th now. So as you can see in this another latest notification released by AIIMS. So INI-CET PG July 2021 session, revised schedule of completion of application for admission to PG courses, INI-CET July 2021 session. So date of uploading prospectus, including eligibility criteria. In fact, prospectus A is available. Internship completion dates and rest of them, they said it will be mentioned in prospectus B. So it is still not uploaded in the website. So we'll wait and see for prospectus B2. So the earlier schedule is 23rd March, but it was done today. That is 24th March 2021. And also you can find generation of exam unique code, completion of application, editing, uploading of valid certificates, if you have any reservation, and etc. Right, from 24th March onwards. And also please note down the final highlighted part here. Change of category and city choice will not be allowed after payment of registration fee in any circumstances. So please pay attention and do it mindfully when you're filling all your forms, and be alert, right? So don't take it for granted, because once the examination fee is processed, you cannot alter or edit the category or the city which you wish to go for giving the exam, right? So you can find all relevant details here. And also, they have mentioned that please visit the website aimsexams.org. So even though this is the latest notification, when you go into that URL, in fact, it will redirect you to the new URL, that is aimsexams.ac.in. Okay, I'll just keep a tab on this as well. So now let's move on to the other important relevant dates. So as I mentioned, as I started this video with the date of the exam, you can clearly see examination for INI-CET in computer-based test online mode will be conducted on May 8th, 2021. Admit card download by April ending, April 30, 2021. And also regarding the number of seats, this is somewhat frustrating, but as mentioned in the website of AIIMS, right? So there are only 2 seats available, that too in AIIMS Rishikesh, and the specialty is oral and maxillofacial surgery. Let me just zoom in, okay? So dental, MDS, oral maxillofacial surgery, there are only 2 seats for the exam. That's it. So let's just go through the entire PDF. So as you can see, AIIMS New Delhi, we have various seats for other specialities, other PG specialities. AIIMS Rishikesh, yeah, only 2 seats. That's it, only 2 seats. That too in oral and maxillofacial surgery. That's it. PGH Chandigarh, NIMHANS, none. So this is regarding the availability of seats in the upcoming July 2021 session, INI-CET. And Prospectus A is available now in the website. We're still waiting for Prospectus B. Last time also we couldn't access it. At least let's hope that this time we'll be able to access Prospectus B. So I'll just deal with eligibility criteria. Rest of them we have discussed a number of times previously also. Also, this is available for all of you. You can go through it and then you can get back through mail or drop a comment below if you need any further clarification. So as you can see, the candidate must have completed the required period of 12 months compulsory rotating internship or practical training by the dates as mentioned in Part B of information brochure of respective institute, right? So what you're seeing now, in fact, this PDF, it is Part A, as clearly mentioned here in the title page of this PDF, right? So let's wait for Part B, and if there is more information, right, I will update you accordingly. And finally, before I conclude, this is the new link to AIIMS website. It's no longer AIIMSexams.org, right? It's AIIMSexams.ac.in. Okay. So these are some of the latest updates we have in regard to INI-CET July 2021 session. So those who are taking up the exam, just keep in mind that it's all about hard work, consistency, and self-belief. It doesn't matter how many are giving the exam. It doesn't matter how many seats are there for the exam. Just give your best and leave the rest. Okay? So wish you all the best. Love you all.